This Thursday, I am running a webinar class where I'm gonna show you how you can create your own membership group coaching program and you sign your first 5, 10, 15 people paying you $97 per month for your membership program, for your course, for your community, for your group coaching calls, so you can finally start having a monthly recurring income that comes in each and every month from your members who are charged monthly subscriptions, right? And you can finally free yourself up. Your coaching work, if you put a membership model in place, will free you up. I grew my membership to a full-time online income, and I am being paid recurringly from my members who are paying me monthly fees to be part of my energy, to be part of my knowledge, to be part of my guidance, to be interacting with my soul's purpose, soul's energy, right? My purpose is that I help people, that I impact people, that I guide people. Probably your purpose is the same thing, right? You want to impact people, guide them, and help them in life. And guess what? People will pay for your energy. They will pay for your knowledge. They will pay for your guidance. They will pay for your answers. They will pay you to guide them on the growth journey so they achieve that certain outcome that they want to achieve. So if you are a life coach, if you are any kind of teacher, if you are a coach, I want to invite you to attend my webinar class. It's completely free. It's gonna be half-half. It's gonna be a little bit of me teaching you stuff, but a little bit of me providing you with an opportunity to ask me questions to which I'm gonna answer. I'm gonna interact with you. I'm gonna talk to you on the webinar class. It's not gonna be a lot of people, maybe 5, 10 people or so, or 15 maybe. And my goal is that I teach you how you can put a membership group coaching program in place. That's the first thing that we're gonna discuss. We're gonna discuss the benefits of this model and why you should charge people monthly subscriptions to be part of your energy. Secondly, we're gonna then discuss how you can create your own $97 per month offer. I'll explain you why you should charge your members $97 per month. It's like a middle ground price point that gets you a little bit paid, and it's very affordable to the person on the other end who is paying you. I'm gonna help you to create an offer. We're gonna discuss how you can create a membership offer and what your offer should include. Thirdly, I will introduce you then to the next steps that you should take and start putting in place so you can launch your program. Which app to use? I'm gonna suggest you to use an app called School. I'm gonna explain you the benefits of the School app later on, right? I'm gonna explain you how you can host your membership program on the School app and how it can charge your members, how you can have your course there, how you can run a community on it, and a few other benefits, right? Then thirdly, I'm gonna explain you and teach you how you should approach signing your first 5, 10 people paying you the monthly fees. And then we're gonna move to the advanced stuff as well. I'll cover how you can put some kind of attraction systems in place through which you can attract more members come to you and get them paying you then your monthly fees. So I'll explain you a full picture of how to set it all up and how you can sign the first 5, 10 people paying you, and then how you can go to 30, 50 members in your membership program. And hey, I'm gonna teach you 4 ways of how you can be signing members into your program, right? Signing members on demand, how to get your members refer you more members, how to do webinar classes through which you can enroll groups, and how to build an email list through which you can get people to pay you for your membership program on your own, right? How to put some kind of automations in place as well. I'll also teach you how to have a CRM software that holds it all together for you. I'll teach you a bunch more secrets that helped me to set it all up for me so it's quite automatic for me to grow now. Now, the main benefit of me running my own membership program is that I have a monthly recurring income that comes in all the time. And that's what we're gonna work toward. How you can put it all in place and start being paid recurringly, and you can run this program, this model semi-passively. It doesn't take a lot of your time, and you are always paid. I'll show you how you can finally free yourself up, how you can finally do the work that you love and open up your soul so you then help even more people, attract even more people, and you are getting paid for just doing what you love the most. Coaching, guiding people, impacting them, and so on. Make sure to find the info of my webinar down below. It's on Thursday. Come, join us, and I would love to provide you with guidance on how you can put it all in place for yourself and you can start having recurring income, and how you can free yourself up as a coach and just do this full time for living.